Sao Paulo, the most industrialized city in South America. And it is here in the greater Sao Paulo, right beside Castelo Branco Highway, district of Itapevi, that since its foundation in 1973, Torres, with huge investments in research and technology, is developing along the years a quality pattern and reliability of international level. With a large industrial park, it is vertically and totally adapted to its segment, allowing total self-sufficiency from creation to final output of its products. It operates with the following production divisions: chemical, lamination, conversion of labels for barcode and variable information, mechanics and metallurgy for production of machines. The chemical division produces acrylic emulsified adhesive in different formulae for use on papers, films, self-adhesive. The lamination of papers and films division produces self-adhesive papers in different weights and finishes, films with different thickness and tonalities, such as vinyl, polyester, polyethylene, polypropylene, covered with several different coaters and treatment, meant for different needs and applications. These materials not only assist our division of labels, but are also sold to hundreds of labels and printing companies all over Latin America. The labels division begins at the arts and project section using latest generation software. It produces layouts and drawings that soon after being handed to the cliché department will be ready for use at the printers for all kinds of segments of the economy. These labels supply countless demands, such as low and high temperatures, aggressive weather situations, attack of chemical products, tear resistance, non-toxic uses. The mechanical division assists the whole preventive and corrective technical assistance, mechanics, and electric in the factory area. It counts on measurement apparels and precision equipment such as lathes, milling machine, and electro-erosion, which become enough for the internal needs, and also produces cutting tools, plastic injection molds, devices, equipment, and printing machines used inside the company. The parts production counts on foundry rubber presses, plastic injection machines, besides machines that make the screws, axes, and scoring pads that will be used for the production of labeler machines, dispensers, label applicator, automatic and semi-automatic for different demands. Raw materials acquired by Torres are appraised by its laboratory before storage. There, with the appropriate equipment, this raw material will be checked for an initial evaluation. The same laboratory is also equipped to develop new products and applications and to make the final check on Torres products before they go to the customer. At the laboratory, it is possible to see, among others, the adhesion, release, cohesion, tack, refraction, pH, or more tests, and stores samples and information used to statistically trace, evaluate, and study. The refinement leftover, scrap, and garbage from the factory are separated, weighed, and sold to be recycled, not harming the environment and assisting one of the internal policies. The commercial department, structured in its own building in the city of Sao Paulo, uses a latest generation net of computers. Linked online with the plant, it maintains agility and precision with the orders. It also coordinates a great team of representatives and distributors in the whole country and in several cities in other countries for fast and precise attendance. All employees receive balanced meals, uniforms, safety materials, health insurance extensive to relatives, and a share on the company's results. Annual training contemplates the whole professional area and also the cultural area. In a large variety of subjects, these courses are given in the company's own amphitheater or in other locations when needed. With innovation and adapted to the needs of the market, Torres maintains partnerships with the most advanced companies of the world in the segment, in the United States, Europe and Asia, and always attempts for the functionality and practicity of its products. With active participation in national and international events, it is totally engaged to a position on the front line. Torres was the first Brazilian company in the segment to be awarded the ISO-9001 certification and intends to keep growing and investing in modern technology to guarantee the best to all its customers.